Hi, I'm Grill Master Randy with BBQGuys. The big game is this Sunday, and it's one of my favorite excuses for getting together with friends and family. And when I host a party, you better believe they'll be grilling. Here are my top 3 types of grills for hosting a big game day party. First on the list, charcoal grilling. Flavor is important to me first and foremost. This style of cooking provides the best opportunity to achieve phenomenal results. You just can't beat the flavor that you get from cooking with charcoal. You also have the ability to incorporate wood flavors with these cookers by using wood chips. These types of grills will work wonders for your big game party, ideal for slow and low cooked items such as barbecue pulled pork and brisket. Next up, wood pellet grilling. Achieving great flavor is easy with these types of grills as they use flavored wood pellets as their fuel source. Again, low and slow would be the best bet here. And since you'll be entertaining, it's pretty hard to burn your food on one of these. Something like buffalo wings or smoked bratwurst come out great on pellet grills, and that smoky flavor will be sure to impress. Last on the list, gas grilling. When I think of convenience and quick cooking, gas grills come to mind. If you'd rather spend your time entertaining and watching the big game instead of babysitting the food on the grill, this is the way to go. Throw items like burgers or kebabs on a gas grill to get your friends and family fed in a hurry, and you're back to the party. Check out BBQGuys' Best of the Best list featuring the top-rated grills and smokers in each category. Click here or click the link in the description box below to shop now.